Right now, sir, no, we are still, the investigation is still ongoing. We are still consolidating all the reports, all the pieces of evidence available. So we are still, what we do right now is that we have created a special investigation task group, Siva Franca, for us to be able to well into to dig deep into this case. So later this evening, sir, we will be conducting at 7 p.m. we will be having a meeting. So around 8:30 we will be having the press con with together with the information, sir. So right now, sir, the latest of the case is still ongoing with the inquest proceedings. So initial complaint was filed against the suspect. So we are still waiting for the result of the inquest proceedings and the result of all the evidence and all the documentations would be relayed to the SITG.
Sir, based sa information niya, ano po ba talaga yung nangyari, sir?
Sir, right now, sir, no, we cannot really give a definite story, regarding the incident. So we are still waiting for the that na ma-wrap up, sir, yung investigation, sir. At least we could have a clear view of what really happened. So we are mobilizing all our efforts, all our investigators to dig deep to this incident. So far, sir, that is what I can provide right now. And the SITG and all the Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office under the leadership of Police Colonel Vicente Tiguela is looking into also with the directive of the Chief PNP and also with the Regional Director to conduct a thorough, impartial and investigation on this case, sir.
Sir, sino yung nag-head ng SITG?
Ngayon, sir, we will be under the supervision, sir, of the provincial director, also with the regional director, pero I still need to look into kung sino ba yung head ng if it's the DRDO or the RD itself. So yun lang po,
Sir, saan siya ngayon, sir? Saan siya ngayon?
Ano, sir, he is nagiging inquest proceedings, sir. So I think he is in the prosecutor's office para sa inquest proceedings, sir.
Agin ang kaso, sir, ila? For counts?
Ngayon, sir, it's multiple murder. Depende pa, sir, sa appreciation sa ng prosecutor, sir.
Sir, tapos ang naparapin yung
ano, sir, we are still waiting for the results to na mabalik sa amin, sir. Actually, we have requested ng mga laboratory results.
Sir, bakit natagalan po bago mapalabas yung investigation?
Kasi, sir, hindi naman siya usually na nangyayari, sir, and natatagalan, sir, kasi malaki kasi, sir, yung nagiging saklaw, sir, kasi it involves the entire organization. So hindi naman kami pwedeng magbigay, sir, ng premature na information. So we really need to have a comprehensive report prior to the official release of the information.